Turkiye has launched serial production of the Kızılelma jet-powered combat drone, marking a major milestone in military aviation. Developed by Baykar, Kızılelma is the world's first fully autonomous, jet-powered fighter UAV to enter mass production. Unveiled in 2021, it reached prototype stage within a year and completed key flight tests by early 2023. As of mid-2025, 6 units are in assembly, with deliveries to the Turkish military expected in 2026. Designed as a tailless, stealth-optimized canard aircraft, Kızılelma features full autonomous flight capability, advanced radar-evading design, and seamless integration with manned and unmanned systems. It can operate solo or in swarms, sharing data in real time and executing complex missions without human control. Equipped with electro-optical sensors, infrared systems, threat warning devices, and an active phased array radar, it can operate in all weather and deploy high-precision munitions. The MIUS variant has a max takeoff weight of 8,500 kilograms, carries up to 1,500 kilograms of payload, and reaches near supersonic speeds with over 3 hours of endurance. Future versions with Ukrainian and Turkish engines will offer supersonic performance and extended capabilities. Kızılelma can carry guided bombs, air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, cruise missiles, and compact smart munitions, mounted internally or externally for maximum flexibility and stealth. More than just a drone, Kızılelma is a shift in doctrine, an autonomous sixth-generation fighter without a pilot, capable of leading swarm attacks, striking deep targets, supporting manned jets, and operating continuously without risk to human life. Baykar plans to produce up to 12 units annually, with most components made in Turkiye, positioning it as a key export asset in the global defense market.